Colloidal matter causes coloration of water or coloration in water, and that's why we can determine it by carrying out a color test. In a cantilever beam carrying UDL, that is uniformly distributed load, shear force at the free end is 0. In a pipe flow, when RE, that is Reynolds number, is between 2000 to 2800, that is 2800, flow is in transition state. Streams having strong forward currents should be used for sewage disposal. Steel and concrete have the same coefficient of linear expansion. Increasing the size of aggregate in concrete increases its density. Removal of dissolved organic matter takes place in secondary treatment. Prestressing adds artificial compressive stress in concrete. At stagnation point, velocity of flow becomes 0. With increase in the speed of the body, the frictional force acting on it slightly decreases. Hygrometer is used for determination of humidity. Attracting groins on the river bank attract the water towards the river. Time between the first watering of the crop to the last watering of the crop is base period. Angle of friction is equal to angle of repose for a body. Both hockey and attracting groins attract water towards the river. Aerobic activity is maximum in fresh sewage. The layers of annular rings not converted to sapwood is the cambium layer in timber. When Mach number is between 1 to 6, flow is supersonic. In a pipe flow, when Reynolds number is greater than 2800, flow is turbulent. The taxiway provides access to aircraft from runway, service hangar and back. Lysimeter is used for estimation of evapotranspiration, that is evaporation as well as transpiration. By Khosla's theory, undermining of the floor starts from tail end. Decomposers mineralize the organic content in ecosystem. Liquid particles forming circular path in vessel without any force acting on it form a free vortex. Component of pressure force acting on immersed body in direction of flow is drag. At its boulder stage, river flows at foot of hill through sand, gravel, clay, etc. Tangential velocity of water in free vortex is inversely proportional to its distance from center. An initial C/N ratio of 30 to 50 is optimum for composting. C by N means carbon and nitrogen. Inclination at which body just starts to slide down an inclined surface is angle of repose. For beam carrying uniformly varying loads, shear force diagram is inclined straight line. Lower initial C by N ratio, that is carbon and nitrogen ratio in compost lead to nitrogen loss, and composting thus slows down. Concentrated sugar solution is a Bingham plastic fluid. In a bubble tube, increase in the tube diameter, length and smoothness will increase its sensitivity. Average compressive strength of cement after 7 days of curing should be 17.5 Newton per square mm. When area to be surveyed is more than 250 square kilometer, then Earth's curvature should be taken into consideration. Algae in oxidation pond provides oxygen to bacteria. Rate of oxygen depletion of oxygen in water body receiving sewage depends on BOD. Weber's number is ratio of inertia force to surface tension. Water needed to fill pores of soil by expelling air is called saturation capacity. Magnitude of limiting friction bears a constant ratio to normal reaction between two surfaces.